Hey everyone, my name is Alina and I'm your Russian teacher. Do you know the difference between these two Russian words? Уметь and мочь. They are pretty similar. Both we can translate as can, to be able to, but in Russian we use them in the different situations. And let's learn how. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like this video and to leave a comment. So like this, more people will be able to find my channel and learn Russian with me. First, let's discuss the difference in use of these verbs and then we'll take the conjugation of both of them. We'll start with the verb мочь. Мочь, or its perfective form, смочь. Мочь, смочь. We usually use this verb when we talk about our physical possibility or ability to do something. For example, I can say «Я не могу плавать сейчас. У меня сломана рука». So in general, I can swim, I know how to swim, but now, at that moment, physically it's impossible for me because my arm is broken. Also, we can say «Человек не может жить без воды». Another similar situation where physically it's just impossible to do. And another one, the verb уметь or суметь, we use when we talk about our abilities or skills that we acquire in the learning process. For example, «Я не умею плавать». In this case, you don't know how to swim. You didn't have this possibility to learn how to swim, so you don't have this skill. Nevertheless, in colloquial Russian, you can use how people use both options, and you also can use them, but you should understand this little difference between them. For example, we can say two sentences, the same sentences, using two different verbs. Я могу говорить по-русски and я умею говорить по-русски. What is the difference? The first one, я могу говорить по-русски, it means that you know words, you know how to pronounce them, you know rules, so you have this physical ability to speak the language. And the second example, я умею говорить по-русски, means that you've learned words, pronunciation of these words, grammar rules, so you acquired this knowledge in the process of learning. So you learned how to speak Russian. So every time when you need to say I can speak Russian, it's better for you to say я умею говорить по-русски, because you can speak Russian because you learned how to do it. And now let's look at its conjugation. First, the verb мочь, смочь. These verbs are really irregular because some of the forms don't exist. For example, if we look at the imperfective aspect of the verb мочь, the present tense will be я могу, ты можешь, он может, мы можем, вы можете, они могут. Then past tense. Он мог, она могла, они могли, оно могло. And future tense doesn't exist here. So we cannot say я буду мочь, ты будешь мочь. Simply, it doesn't exist. And the opposite form, смочь, the perfective aspect, present tense doesn't exist because it's perfective. Past tense. Он смог, она смогла, они смогли, оно смогло. And here we have the future tense. Я смогу, ты сможешь, он сможет, мы сможем, вы сможете, они смогут. And the verb уметь. Here we have same logic. First, уметь, imperfective, present tense. Я умею, ты умеешь, он, она умеет, мы умеем, вы умеете, они умеют. Past tense. Он умел, она умела, оно умело, они умели. Future tense. Я буду уметь, ты будешь уметь, он, она будет уметь, Мы будем уметь, вы будете уметь, и они будут уметь. And perfective aspect – суметь. Present tense doesn't exist. Past tense. Он сумел, она сумела, они сумели, оно сумело. And future tense – я сумею, ты сумеешь, он, она сумеет, мы сумеем, вы сумеете, они сумеют. And that's it. You see, these two verbs are not complicated, but it's really tricky because they are pretty similar in the sound and in the use of these verbs, so that's why it's really easy to confuse them. But I hope that now you know the difference perfectly and you will not make any mistakes using these two verbs. Thank you very much for watching, subscribe to this channel and learn Russian with me.